How to change the default SMS app on your Samsung phone with Android 15 One UI 7.0. To choose another messaging receiving app on your Samsung phone, go ahead and use the quick access by pulling it down one time like this here from the right side and tap on your settings icon here. Once you're in the main settings of your Samsung phone, you will want to go down past all this and keep going down until you see apps, this right here. Once in the apps section, if you look to the top, you will see choose default apps, this area right here. And once you go into that, this is where you can select default apps for specific sections. So for example, you want for the messaging app, you'll go down and you'll look for SMS here. And once you enter here, you'll see the options of different apps. Now, if you're wondering why I have more than one or two, you'll simply go to the Play Store and install any messaging app. And if it is compatible, it will show up here in this section, and you'll just go ahead and select the one you want. For some of them, you may be required to restart your phone or to go into the settings of the app itself and give it permission to be used as receiving messages. Like and sub.